Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy AB and welcome back to the channel. Today I got something exciting to show you guys. So guess what? We got an office and I'm gonna be explaining to you guys why I chose this location, why I chose this office. So basically our company logo is gonna be on this billboard right here, okay? So our name is gonna be right there so people can see it from the street and people can also see it from the back over there, the street and everything. So basically people can basically see it from any direction essentially. So from here, I got more to show you guys. The reason why I actually chose this location is because of this giant space, as you can see. Okay, so we only got one office, but honestly, I don't need anything bigger than that because mainly it's going to be me. Everybody else, my dispatchers and and my employees, they never really they don't stay here. They take the car and they're out there, right? So basically, come here. I'll show you why I chose this space. As you guys can see, we got our car here. You know what I mean? I got more cars. Don't worry. They're just going to be lined up right here. So I chose this space because, as you can tell, how big this space really is. Like the owner already told me, he said, I can fit, he said I can use from here all the way over there. So from here all the way over there, so I can basically use it for whatever I need, right? And I'm trying to grow the business. So right now we have 4 vehicles and I'm running out of space. Mainly I was running the business from home. And at the time it was good enough, but right now, we're getting a lot more cars. You know what I mean? So like right now I'm at 4, I'm already running out of space. My guys don't even have a place to park at. So this is why I get this location. And this location is basically, if you live in Windsor, we're located on Jefferson. Honestly, I'm really, really excited. I've came a long way, but I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what my vision is and what I'm thinking and to why I choose this location. Right here, we got the drop box. So this is where the guys will basically put their paperwork and everything. They're going to be putting it right here, right? So the tablets and stuff like that, this has a combination. So yeah, so let's get to the office. And this is the office space, basically. Okay, so I got my computer right there. I got the printer there. I'm gonna have a carpet right here. And then there's gonna be a refrigerator right there, so I can have water and everything like that. Here, right here, I keep my just paperwork and stuff like that. It's my filing cabinet. We don't necessarily keep too many paperwork besides like driver trip sheets and stuff like that. Where we're gonna keep all the other stuff. I'm gonna keep all this. I'm gonna make this all a lot more organized. And there's gonna be a big logo right here that says EAZY LYFT on it. You get me? So honestly, I love this space. The owner, he's a really nice guy. The price is really, really good. You know what I'm saying? So honestly, the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now, I'm hoping to have as many cars as possible on that location at the back, on the back. But yeah, so this is just to give you guys an idea of what my vision is and what I'm thinking. And if you guys honestly like content like this, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And I appreciate you guys for watching this. Thank you.